Are you someone who's getting burnt out because your work is suffocating you from all angles? How do you identify those red flags at work? Honestly, toxic work culture isn't always obvious. You may not even notice it till you are neck deep into it. Hi, my name is Ratika Seth and I'm a life enhancement coach. I'm the founder of the Gratitude Concepts Tribe and the Flight to Fulfillment podcast. And today I'm excited to share 5 signs that can help you see and identify those red flags and take a quick exit. Because the fact of the matter is, toxicity is a big no-no, whether personally or professionally. So the minute you start feeling toxicity is creeping in, it's time to move on. So, what are these 5 signs? Sign number 1, lack of transparency. If your management is always hush hush about everything, if they give you an ambiguous reply to all your questions, if you never get a clear cut reply on anything, start looking around. There is something amiss. Number 2, micromanagement, no flexibility at work. You've been hired by the company to give them certain results. As long as you are giving them those results, working within the code of honor of the company, you need freedom. Just as in a personal relationship, if you're given no freedom, you start feeling claustrophobic and eventually you just break out of that relationship and run away, gasping for freedom. You need freedom even at work. Just as you need oxygen to breathe, you need freedom to perform. As simple as that. Number 3, no teamwork. How many times have you heard, have you read, teamwork makes the dream work. It's all about the teamwork. A good leadership is about the teamwork. So, if in your organization you see and you feel that every member of the team is, pulling each other one down, if everyone in the team is playing the game of one-upmanship, you are getting into a very, very, very unhealthy environment at work. So start looking out elsewhere from that very moment when you see this or notice this. Number 4, favoritism. If your leadership is constantly playing favorites with one person, if there's one particular person who's the blue-eyed boy of your leadership, no matter how much work you are doing, you are not being appreciated. No matter what you do, you are not being looked upon. It is only one blue-eyed person who's, got it all over there. It's time for you to move on because you already have somebody in this company ready to sabotage your growth. So rather than fighting your way out, trying to justify yourself, please go somewhere where you will be respected. Number 5, long working hours without employee recognition. Now, it's okay to work long hours. Everybody does that. People work through the day, through the night when there's a target to be achieved. That's fine. But if you're constantly being expected to work long hours without any appreciation, without any recognition, you are just being treated as a doormat. So it's time for you to start looking out, time for you to move on from this company. It's okay to work long hours as long as you are required to work those long hours. Just for the heck of it, if you're being asked to work long hours, it's not something which is getting you any respect ever. So just move on. In the end, even though these are the 5 signs which according to me are the best signs to identify a red flag, it's all about the gut. Eventually it's all about your gut feeling. The minute you start feeling it within you that there's something wrong, there is something wrong. The minute you start smelling a dead rat, the probability is that there is a dead rat. So trust your instincts. Your gut never lies to you. So if you enjoyed this episode, like, comment, share, subscribe, give me your ideas on any other topic you would like me to speak upon pertaining to life enhancement. That's all for now. Much gratitude. And power to all of you out there. This is Ratika Seth, your life enhancement coach, signing off till my next episode. See you there. Bye bye.